Mastering the art of telemarketing, tips for beginners. Now imagine picking up the phone and turning cold calls into hot leads. Well, today we're diving into the world of telemarketing, unlocking the secrets to success for beginners. So, if you're ready to turn your calls into conversions, stay with us. Telemarketing is all about persuasion. Think about the power of persuasion. Just like Robert Cialdini's influence, which delves into the psychology of persuasion, it's essential for beginners to understand the principles of persuasion. Take Apple, for instance. They know how to persuade. Their product launches are masterclasses in persuasion. Now, as beginners, learning from these persuasive giants is key. The second tip is preparation. Just like an athlete preparing for a game, a telemarketer should be well prepared. Research your leads, understand their needs, and craft a compelling pitch. The Ritz-Carlton is a prime example of preparation. You see, they train their staff to anticipate guests' needs and provide unparalleled service. As telemarketers, anticipating customer needs can set you apart. Building rapport, that's the third tip. Remember the power of connection. Just like Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People, building rapport is an art. Zappos, the online retailer, excels in building rapport. They focus on customer service and building strong relationships. For telemarketers, creating a personal connection is a game changer. Every telemarketer encounters objections. Embrace them. Just like objection handling in sales, beginners should anticipate objections and have responses ready. The iconic brand McDonald's handles objections really well. They address concerns and adapt to customer preferences. Handling objections gracefully can lead to success. The power of scripting is the fifth tip. Just like Hollywood scripts, a well-crafted script can guide your telemarketing calls. Beginners should create a script that's flexible and engaging. Southwest Airlines uses scripting effectively. Their flight attendants add humor and personality to their safety scripts. Telemarketers can learn from their engaging scripts. The sixth tip is effective follow-ups. Don't underestimate the power of persistence. Just like a detective solving a case, follow up with potential leads. Sherlock Holmes is a master of follow-ups. His tenacity in solving mysteries is legendary. For beginners, consistent follow-ups can turn leads into conversions. Lastly, continuous learning is also the key to success. Keep improving your skills. Just like the world of science, always evolve and adapt. Think about NASA. They are constantly learning and innovating. For telemarketers, staying updated with the latest trends and techniques is vital. In conclusion, telemarketing is an art, and beginners can excel by understanding the psychology of persuasion, preparing meticulously, building rapport, handling objections gracefully, scripting effectively, following up persistently, and committing to continuous learning. Transform your outreach strategy with Success.ai's cutting-edge features. Unlimited warm-up, 700 million plus verified leads, and an AI-powered writer await you. Scale up your campaigns with powerful analytics and inbox rotation. Start for free, then upgrade for the cost of a daily coffee over a month. Don't miss out. Supercharge your growth with Success.ai now.